We're crazy, man, out here at sunrise.
Okay.
Out here at sunrise in the cold, pedaling away. What is that? We got 800 feet of elevation to climb. And then we're gonna do stupid stuff after, like riding bikes down a mountain. Oh my God.
Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, man. Well, I'm at the top, waiting for Slowpoke Shred right now. He is living up to his name. Although he has done, he's actually made huge progress, I think, from the last time we rode a trail like this. He kept up most of the way just to the beginning of this last trail, so gotta give him props. It's good stuff. Yeah.
Have we made it to the top?
This is, well, technically...
This is not, like, technically you gotta go up a little ways. Oh, I like the sign, hold on.
Yeah.
That's cool. It's like Metallica.
First one.
It's a Black Forest.
No, I think the last couple times I did it, I took this path to the right. Woo! Hello! Wow! Interesting, now we do Black Forest.
Hey, buddy!
Whoa, a little off on that one. Oh, hey yo. Woo!
Hey, buddy! Nice.
Whoa, a little off on that one. Oh. Woo! Ha ha ha!
Yo! Yeah! Sweet. Alright, my first black diamond, little new boss. Oh, goodness. Nice. Yeah. Okay. I like the cramping. A little better. Oh my gosh, that's some speed you gotta pay attention to. Oh, what was that? So many leaves. die. Flip. Flip over. So slippery. Oh, it's so slippery, man.
I've lost slowpoke shred. I don't know where he is. I'm looking. I don't hear him. So either he has suffered a severe injury.
Oh. He can leave.
Or he's okay. Yes, he's okay.
Oh, no worries. Freaking leaves. Oh, no worries. Oh, that's cool. I'll step up. I don't think I jumped a single thing, but it was a blast anyway.
These Berms are monsters, isn't it?
Yeah, heck yeah. Oh God. Wow. Oh. I can't get a pass on this. Holy crap. Oh my God. My bike doesn't sound like it used to. That was pretty awesome. It's a heck of a lot of climbing. You know, did my first black today, hit a few jump lines, didn't really jump anything. Got some berm practice, got some cool shots of Shred Master Wheel, doing some cool drops and jumps on the double black forest line. The Stache held up pretty good, only one crash today.
Well, lots of mechanical failures on my side.
One crash is an improvement, but we replaced it with mechanical failures. The old Meta, she's waiting on the Christmas wish list, just needs a few maintenance parts. One day we'll convince him to go tubeless, but there might be a few more flats before then.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
All right, well, that's a wrap. Peace out.
Shred-tastic!